I have another banger video for y'all. Today we're going to be installing VIP curtains on my car, on the Matrix, the hatchback. It should be sick. I got the Junction Produce ones from eBay. I don't know if they're authentic, but I paid way cheaper than how much they normally go for, but also from China, so I don't know if it's a rip-off one or if it's actually real, and I just got a good price on it. But it finally came in, so we're about to install it today. Curtains laid out here on the table in my garage. Junction Produce, as you can see. Got all the different parts I need. It didn't come with any directions though, which is pretty much the main important one. So I gotta go on YouTube and see how people install these and then match that with my setup. So that should be fun, but it'll be pretty exciting. It's also a hot day again in Hawaii, so yeah, it would be more fun installing these in the sun. So yeah, we'll get right to it. Backseat of my car now. I just finished watching the video. So apparently these two brackets, I got a 3M tape on here on the edge of the windows. I gotta clean it with alcohol first, because these are actually what supports the curtains and makes them like slide in and out. You want to open and close them. So I'm gonna get to it. Hopefully it goes smoothly. I'm gonna also test fit the curtains too while we're at it. So guys, I figured it out. I got the curtain and the sliders on the thing by 3M. I did the best I can, you know, but it does slide, as you can see, for the VFE. Now I gotta like hook up the thing for the Junction Produce, probably somewhere around here. But yeah, we'll get to that right now. I think we about got it. Junction Produce, baby. And this thing looks hard, bruh. Same thing for their side. I gotta go through the same process, but it wasn't too bad. Let's jam it out now. So we're on the other side. You can see the curtains from this angle. Sheesh, this thing looks sick. Now pretty much the same process. Acid, or not acid promoter, bro. Adhesive promoter. And then glue on the bracket sliders and then install the curtain, and that's about it. Let's do it. This adhesive promoter smells like shit, bro. It was giving me a headache earlier. But pretty much the same process. So for the bottom and the top. Okay, that's about it. Sir, got the brackets. We got them, bruh. Got the Junction Produce strap on there, curtain strap. Sir, looking sick.
I came in with a new 40 Glock. Fuck on your bitch, make that hoe want a milli run. I'm with my boys and no, we do not milli run. Funny money, no, this is not no silly guap. Got a richer milli, this not a silly one. All this money make me want hit my diddy bop. Tell her at the bank, I'm just give me luck. At the dealer, I can't pull this shit off the lot. Me and my boys, you know that we